Alright, there's a video for 2HT about exercise 28 from chapter 6. So earlier chapter 6 was about percentages and all of that, but now it's also going to be about diagrams. And in diagrams you just have to read information from a graph, or sometimes you have to make a graph yourself, which is over there, and also one of the exercises over here lets you make something. Now what is this one about? This one is about the number of long holidays to Great Britain. And you see that in 2002 there were a lot of long holidays to Great Britain, and then it declined a bit, and then it increased again. Alright, let's see what the questions are about. It says here, how many long holidays to Great Britain were there in 2009? Okay, so we're going to go to 2009, which is over here, and then you can read this number, which is in the middle of 430 and 450, so it is 440,000. So here the answer for 28A is 440,000 holidays. Okay, I'm going to go to question B. In which years were there more than 400,000 long holidays to Great Britain? So we just have to see where is 400,000. 400,000 is like in the middle of there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, because they say, oh, did they say in which years? Oh, in which years? I thought maybe how many. But the answer is 2002, 2003, 2004 also, 2005 not, 2006 also not, but 2007, and then 2009, and 2010. So here, I wrote the whole list down over here. I'm going to go to exercise C now. It says here, in which 2 consecutive years was the difference between the number of long holidays the greatest? Well, consecutive means 2 years after each other. And when was the difference the biggest? So you have to see where the line is also the steepest. The steepest means it goes up the quickest or goes down the quickest. So I noticed this one here. This one is really steep. So between 2008 and 2009. Because the questions say in which 2 consecutive years was that? Well, that was from 2008 to 2009. Question D. In 2009 there were more long holidays to Great Britain than in 2008. What was the percentage increase? Okay, so we need to know what it was in 2008 and what it was in 2009. Well, we can figure it out soon enough. In 2008 it is 360,000, and in 2009 it's 440,000. So here we have this, 360,000 and 440,000. If you want to know the percentage increase, we do new. And you can leave away these zeros if you also leave away those zeros. We do new minus old, divided by old times 100. That was the rule to calculate the percentage increase. Hopefully you remember that. Let me see what the answer will be. I have a calculator here, so this will be 22.2%. So that is a huge increase. Then we're going to go to exercise E, and then finally we also have F. It says, in 2004 there were less long holidays to Great Britain than in 2003. What was the percentage decrease? This is actually a very similar question, but we have to figure out what the holidays were in 2003 and 2004. So let's take a look at that. In 2003 it was 460,000, and in 2004 it was 420,000. So if you want to know the percentage decrease, you do new minus old divided by old times 100. So let me check what that will be. Divided by 460, here we have 8.7%. Let me make sure it's on the screen. So it's a decrease of 8.7%. That's why there's a minus here. To get rid of the minus, you can just say an 8.7% decrease, because the word decrease means it goes down. Now we're going to go to F. In 2003, 28% of the long holidays to Great Britain were in Scotland. How many was that? Well, in 2003, we already saw that there were 470,000 long holidays to Great Britain, and 28% of that was in Scotland. So we calculate 28% of 460,000, and then we know how many that is. So if you want to type that into your calculator, right, 0.28 times 460,000, and then we have this number. So 128,800 holidays. So these were the answers for exercise 28. Hopefully it was clear to everyone. And then I'll see you later. Bye bye.